Welcome to Elk Path in 3 Mile Cross. We're just a short distance from junction 11 of the M4 Green Park Business Park, and we're also in a traffic-free setting. So it's a nice 2-bedroom end of terrace property we've got here. It does have parking just out of view of the camera. The parking space has an EV charge point. The property also has a number of energy saving measures, including solar panels and an air source heat pump, in addition to air conditioning in both the lounge and the master bedroom. Property is well presented throughout and definitely worthy of a viewing. So having viewed the video, if you'd like to come and have a look for yourself, please do get in touch. We'd love to show you around. In the meantime, let's take a look inside. Okay, so coming in through the front door of the property, we've got a small entrance lobby. Off to my right is the downstairs toilet. And of course straight ahead into the open plan lounge, kitchen and dining space. Nicely presented. Nice and light, got nice big doors out into the garden, which you can see straight ahead of me. And if I spin round, get a nice view of the kitchen. So we've got a number of units. We've got a breakfast bar area in the middle, which also gives a nice separation between the sort of kitchen and lounge dining area. So I think that's really nice. We've got a wood effect flooring, which again makes the ground floor nice and easy maintenance. And you can see we've got electric hob, oven, washing machine space, etc. all there. Got storage cupboard off to my right. Not a lot to speak of in there, but it does house the battery for the solar panels. So say living area opens out onto the garden, which we'll go out into in a minute. And just wanted to show you, just in the corner here, this is the air conditioning unit for the living room. There's another one in one of the bedrooms upstairs. These will stay with the property. They were installed at reasonable expense to the current owner and left for the incoming purchaser's benefit. I also mentioned earlier there is a air source heat pump, which you can see just outside there. And to the other side, the ventilation unit for the air conditioning system. So that all comes with the property. So on the first floor then, one thing to note is that being end of terrace, the property does benefit from a window on the side, on the stairwell, which you may consider a minor point, but it does mean you do get extra light onto the first floor, which is quite nice. So the front bedroom, both are doubles, so good size. This one actually is used as the second bedroom, so you can see there's an office set up here with large desk and double screens, etc. And a rather large running machine, but it's comfortably a double bedroom. And you've got some storage just built in there. And then the bedroom at the back of the property, as you can see, all set up as you'd expect, with lots of storage built in at one end. And I mentioned when we were downstairs the air conditioning unit, so again you can see it there. They are sort of tucked up into the corner of the room. They are white, so they do blend into the wall quite well. And of course we're at the back of the property now, so view out into the garden. And then just finally the bathroom. So white suite, as you'd expect, wash basin, WC and bath with independent shower over the bath as well. All very clean, very tidy, well presented throughout. Carpets are all in good condition, all neutral colours as well. So as you can see, the garden is very much low maintenance. It's a good size. The owners obviously had the main area gravelled, but there is also a further patio area at the end of the garden. So we've got a aluminium sort of style garden shed, space for some seating, and all enclosed with panel fencing. Looking back at the property, you'll also see just at the top there, just where my finger is, pointing to the solar panels on the roof as well. There's also a side gate, so this gives you access out into the parking area. And again, just to show you once again the air conditioning unit and also the air source heat pump. So the property really is very energy efficient. Just for interest as well, this is the parking space, and as you can see, just mounted on the wall here is the EV charging point. So that will be included within the property sale. So anyone looking at this property that is considering either having an electric vehicle or has an electric vehicle, then this could be ideal for you. So that concludes the viewing today at 15 Elk Path. I hope you've found the video useful. There's some really nice features of this property, quite unusual. Certainly others that we've sold around here, as much as they've been certainly as nice as this property, haven't had the energy saving features that this one actually offers. And I think they should be considered and not overlooked for any potential buyer. We can provide you with more information. The owners certainly can give you all the information you need about solar panels, EV charging, the air source heat pump, anything you need to know. He looked into it a lot before he had it all installed. So do get in touch with us. We'd love to show you around, and the property is available now for viewing. Thank you for watching.